Hi there. If you have a business and you have too many clients, you like your sales teams is unable to reply them at time, then this video is for you. We at codexway.com develop multiple types of solution for almost every type of business. Today we brought you the AI chatbot. This can reply automatically to the customers, and it is like automatic chat support. Without any delays, it can handle thousands of clients at once without any issues. To get the demo, all you have to do is to come to this URL. You will find this URL in the description of this video. Once you are here, you can see the screenshots, you can read everything about it. To get live preview demo, simply click on this blue button right here. Once you click, you will be redirected to this URL demo.codexway.com/chatbot. Here, like consider this as your website. Okay, your website would be intact. Would we like our chatbot won't change anything on your website. It will just add a button at the bottom right or anywhere you want on your website, like in the bottom center, in the center, in the top left, in the top right, no matter where you want. For now, this is in the bottom right. To like chat with chatbot, we'll simply click on this button. We'll message it hi. Okay, so it gives us reply. For now, this bot is trained to reply, telling us details about itself. Like consider a person who wants to buy a boat for his website or his app. This bot is trained to give details about that, but it can be trained for almost any business from the admin panel. I'll show you the admin panel later in this video. For now, let's test this bot. I texted it hi and it gave me a generic reply. Now I'll ask him to like I have a business, I have a website, and I want a chatbot for that website. Which type of websites? Like consider we have an e-commerce website where we are selling the like we'll be selling some tech products. Okay. Uh, for now, I'll simply ask him. I have a website and I want a chat bot for my website. Okay. And I'll also tell him that my website is about e-commerce. Okay, so it gave me a very detailed reply. This reply can be controlled from the admin panel. If you want your bot to give short replies, if you want to give long replies, if you want to give like medium replies, it is all in your head. So it says that's great to hear, and you can read this thing. Okay, so like this is how our chatbot works. It can like for example, this is our website. Okay, Codex Bay. This bot can be trained, like we'll do all the training for you. You don't have to do anything. So like if we put all this data about all these products on our chatbot, and then we'll ask our chatbot about let's say this particular MLM lab script, and this chatbot would automatically fetch all the details about this software and tell us each and everything the user asks this chatbot about this script. It will like fetch up all this data and find everything and then give the user that particular answer. This bot can be like modified to modified to fit in every type of business, like e-commerce, like law firms, like service-based businesses. Or mostly clients come from service-based businesses. Like consider a plumber who has a website, a law firm, because like the main issue with them, like most of the customers keep asking that exact same question again and again and again. And for now, like previously, in like people are using customer supports, like an actual person sitting and replying to every customer one by one. What's the issue there? They have to pay them like monthly or daily, on like they have to pay wages. The That's expensive. Another thing, they have to like have multiple people sittings, and like they'll be just sitting and replying to the customers, and still they miss some leads. Even if they miss one lead, they have like lost even thousands of dollars. That's the issue. Our bot is solving that problem. It like even if 1,000 people are chatting to it at once, it won't miss any single one of them. And if it does not know any question, it will automatically give the phone number or email of an actual person, then we can contact them. So still you might have to get some one, like maximum one person, because no matter how much we train the chatbot, it can never replace an actual human. For now, next I'll show you admin demo. This is the admin panel of the bot. You can change its name, you can change its status, like online or offline. If it is offline, it won't reply, it won't show up, like it will show offline. Behavior, you can like friendly, sales, serious. These categories can be added more. Like if you want rude behavior, we can add that too. Bot logo can be updated from here. System prompt, like you can explain your bot about who the bot is, and like what business is he, like he is the representative of which business. Next is website information. Here you will add all the data of your website, like this website is about what and what services does it offer, what is the pricing, like everything. Next thing, you can add rules, like don't do any particular thing. So if you want a bot like this, you can contact us via WhatsApp. You can find our number in the bottom right of codexway.com. You can also find our WhatsApp number in the description of this video. Our email will be there, our Fiverr link will be there, and almost everything is there. If you want a website, a chatbot, or any kind of software solution, we've got you covered at codexway.com. Thank you.